Hello students, now we are going to discuss Lenz law. The chapter is electromagnetic induction. Chapter is also important, electromagnetic induction, and under this chapter the topic, that is Lenz law, this is most important. Okay, um, before discussing Lenz law, I would like to discuss uh, if this is a coil, the current is clockwise. The current is clockwise. According to the Fleming right hand rule, you will see that at the center, what you will see, that magnetic field, direction of magnetic field will be inside. Okay, inside. Current is upward direction. This is current direction. This is the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field will be inside. Means by whole circuit, magnetic field is into the plane. But if the current is moving anti-clockwise, what we will see, that at the center the magnetic field will be out of the plane. If the current is clockwise, it is into the plane. If the current is anti-clockwise, the magnetic field will be out of the plane. Hope you're understanding. It is very easy, and about this we have discussed in the previous lectures. This is clockwise, means the magnetic field will be inside. This is anti-clockwise, this is outside. We also know that because the magnetic field is inside, that means it will have like a south pole, because magnetic field ends at south pole, and here magnetic field is outside. Means magnetic field is starting from that point. That means it will have like a north pole, because from the north pole magnetic field originates. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, now if you see here, if you take any coil, let us suppose this is the coil, and if you see from this side, if the current is clockwise, if you are swinging from this direction, from the front, if you see that particular coil from back side, what you will see, if the current from the front side is clockwise, the current will be anti-clockwise from that direction. It is anti-clockwise and it is clockwise. Means from both the direction, the direction of current, both the direction means from front and back side, the direction of motion of the current will be opposite. Means if it is clockwise from the front side, from the front side, from the back side, the direction of current will be anti-clockwise. Okay, means if you take any coil, it will if the current is moving in the coil, that means it will have like a bar magnet. It will have north pole and south pole, or north pole and south pole. Means one side will be north pole, another side will have like a south pole. That means it will have like a bar magnet. Now let us see an experiment that is done by that scientist, that is Lenz. Okay, what was the experiment? Experiment was, he took a coil and a magnet. This is north pole and this is south pole. If it is moving suddenly, according to the Faraday's law, the current in the coil will be generated, because if it is moving toward the coil, the flux linked with this coil will increase, means will change, means the current will be produced inside the circuit, inside the coil. That was the Faraday's law. But what is the Lenz law? Lenz law is what? When the bar magnet is moving toward the coil, the direction of current will be such that it opposes the motion of the bar magnet. It will oppose the motion of the bar magnet. Okay, means it will behave like a north pole, because if it is north pole, north will oppose, will repel. Okay, means when the bar magnet is suddenly moving toward the coil, it will behave like a north pole. That means the direction of current will be such that it will oppose the cause that is produces. Means the direction of the current is produced by what? By the motion of the bar magnet. That means the coil will oppose the cause that produces the current inside the circuit. Hope it is very easy. Means if this is the coil, this coil will behave like a north pole from this direction. If the coil is north from this direction, the south will be in this direction. That means from the front, from the direction of the bar magnet, the coil will become north pole from this direction. Why? Because according to the Lenz law, the coil will oppose the cause that produces the current inside the coil. It is very easy. Okay, if the same bar magnet is suddenly moving opposite to the coil, it will behave like a south. Because why? If it is south, it will attract the bar magnet, and it will again opposes the cause of the current by which it is produces. Okay, if the bar magnet is moving toward the coil, it will behave north pole, because the motion of the cause, because the current is produced inside the coil due to the motion of the bar magnet toward the coil, and the coil will oppose the cause that is produces the current. Okay, if it is opposite, the polarity of the coil will be south. It is very easy. Okay, and that is the Lenz law. Hope you are understanding. This is very easy, and according to the Faraday's law, phi is equals to minus d phi upon dt. Means this sign shows that if the flux is increasing, this sign shows that the direction of flux change, or you can say that the direction of induced EMF will be opposite, and this sign is due to the Lenz law. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.